Hey guys, it's your best one, Nelson. Sorry I made my friend Andy couldn't play Copperfield or Nihon Kindly Paper Lanterns yesterday because we were taking a nap. But don't worry, we'll get it next time. Anyways, I'll be singing the Backyardigans I'm a Robot Repairman by Austin and Roscoe from Robot Rampage episode. So let's see, shall we see? Then let's see. That's the problem being being Robot Repairman. You see, robots never fix. Hey Roscoe, what do you say? All systems A-OK. Are you sure there's nothing I can fix for you today? All systems A-OK. I'm a robot repairman.
I've got robot smarts. I'm the one who wants to call robot troubles. With my robot tools, robot grease, and robot parts, I fix them from their heads to their toes to their hearts. But there's just one problem for my goodness sake. My problem is that robots never just break, they never forget a belly. My problem is that robots never ever break. No matter what's the trouble, robots sometimes except for those robots never ever
Just don't break it, never breaks.
You can stick them in the fridge or throw them in the lake. However, in the sticker, rake them with a rake. But robots never break.
Thanks for listening. I watched the Backyardigans Robot Rampage episode as a kid.